Decision fatigue, how to make better decisions. In this video, I want to discuss with you a specific example about how moving is very stressful and how you should use your money in order to focus and decrease your stress. And so David Jaffe from beststockstrategy.com, and I want to talk to you about how I am very productive. Even though I am relatively wealthy when compared with other people, and I've worked on Wall Street and I've done a bunch of other things, I do not own a car. I rent an apartment. I wear the same clothes every single day. I don't wear any jewelry. And even though I do have nice clothes, a lot of the clothes that I have been given to me from people that I've met or like former roommates or things like that. I've accumulated clothes over the past 10 years, but I don't really wear them. And the reason for this is I want to eliminate decision fatigue from my life. When I wake up in the morning, I focus on the most important thing that I have to get done that day. There are no distractions. And that's one of the most important things. When you have, I know there's a lot of pressure on females. So with girls, they have to go to the salon, they have to put makeup on, they have to shower, they have to brush their teeth. I mean, brushing your teeth is like normal, but you know, the type of things like wearing jewelry, dressing really sexy, going shopping and things like that. All of that is going to inhibit you from accomplishing your goals. Even if your goal is to spend time with your children, there are a lot of things that people do, and it ends up wasting their time and distracting their focus. That's why one of the most important things that you can do is limit the amount of things that you have. Don't care what other people think about you, and audit your habits and how you use your time so that you can live a more effective and productive life by evaluating which habits you have which are not productive to you actually getting your work done. So in the example that I had previously about moving, I can tell you that we moved in around 1 or 2 days, mostly because I don't have a lot of things and I just threw everything together in a bag. And then when I got to the new place, I just unpacked it. I don't have any furniture. Well, I did buy a few beds in this new apartment, but in the last one, we rented the furniture. That way, when we left, we could just simply leave it there. And by being really free and not having your material objects hold you back, it allows you to be nimble and to be free and to not have an anchor stopping you from reaching the speed that you need in order to precipitate change. So try to audit and cut out a lot of the habits that you have. If you don't have to shave every single day, if you can shave once a week, no problem. If you want to wear the same clothes 3 times a week, I'm not saying that you have to be as crazy as me where you wear the same clothes every single day, you eat the same thing every single day, and crap, sometimes I don't even eat because I do intermittent fasting. So there are times where I won't eat for like 3 days and I'll just drink water. But you have to set up your life in a very optimized manner where you can be very productive. And living this type of ascetic lifestyle is actually extremely liberating, and it's extremely happy because your mind is not focused on things that are going to happen in the future. You don't have anxiety about things that are going to happen in the future. You don't have depression about things that have happened in the past. Instead, you're focusing on this moment, just like I'm speaking with you now and I'm looking in the camera. And I would not be able to do that if I was bogged down by anxiety of things that might transpire in the future, or constantly precipitating and ruminating over things that have happened in the past. The thing that we have is this moment, and by freeing yourself of your need to hold on to possessions and material objects because you feel that it validates your worth and your self-esteem, that is just something that's going to end up holding you back. And remember, time is the most important asset. No amount of money ever bought back a second of time. So if you're able to free up and to improve your habits and save yourself an hour or 2 hours a day, you can then treat yourself to a nice vacation. Maybe you fly out to like Australia and New Zealand, or maybe you go to South America, and you deserve it because so many people are living an unoptimized life, where if you're able to live an optimized life, you can substantially improve your life and accomplish your goals. David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Please leave a comment below. I read all comments and I respond to everyone, and I really appreciate your attention. Thank you.